Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Dean Davidson, live blogs.com meteorologist, here with your overnight outlook and your storm outlook here for the Northeast. Sorry, again, so we're going to be posting this on Facebook. When the site comes back up, we'll definitely post this on the site. Anyways, we got winter storm warnings lined up from all the way to Maine, all the way down here into Delaware. We also got some in West Virginia and parts of Western Virginia here this evening. A winter storm of weather advisories on the outside of that from Illinois all the way down here to North Carolina, South Carolina. All these locations under a winter weather advisory. And if we get closer in here, and if you watched my blog last night, you know I said we're going to have blizzard warning somewhere between New York City and Boston. Here we go. Boston, Massachusetts, under a blizzard warning. Plymouth, all out here on the Cape. That is a blizzard warning. Look at the Boston forecast. You see, starting tonight, we're getting the snow. Heavy snow Wednesday night. In between that time, we're talking about 15 to 25 inches in Boston, Massachusetts with high winds. So it's going to be definitely a blizzard in the Boston metro. And you can see here, winter storm warnings are for Philadelphia, Trenton, AC, Georgetown, Salisbury. Got reports in southern Delaware right now of rain, but that should change over to snow as the night comes in here. And snow totals 10 inches here in northern parts of Monmouth, Middlesex County, coming up here, Somerset. 6 inches is going to be a run-of-the-mill here in Burlington County. And we're going to also have 5 to 6 inches, so a generalized 5 to 10 inch range. Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester, Atlantic, Salem, and Cumberland. Also Philadelphia, Montgomery, Berks, Bucks, and Chester. And then we're going to get the 7 and 8 inches here in Ocean and Monmouth, Middlesex and Mercer, Somerset. And less amounts here in Newcastle and Salem counties. And if we go down towards the coast of New Jersey with some mixing, we're going to see a couple things here. 5 inches here towards the AC, but we're going to get some mixing along the coast, and definitely some mixing down here in southeast Delaware. 2 to 3 inch range here. This is projected by the National Weather Service, and I think it's a good call by them. Synoptic map, you can see the low starting to bomb out off the Jersey Shore. Heavy snow coming in when we get secondary low. And what will happen is these will come together and really bomb out off of Rhode Island. We're talking about huge bomb, heavy snow along the Boston area. They're going to get the most of it. We're talking 15 to 25 inches in Boston. And this low will then move away, letting us get into warmer and drier air, more seasonal air coming up towards the weekend. Back here, as we get western snow coming in, we get 6 to 12 inches of snow here in the higher elevations of Western Virginia and North Carolina. You get 1 to 2 inches here south, and less than an inch, but we have some light ice that may come up to a 10th inch of ice. Roanoke, Bedford, Franklin, Botetourt counties, Campbell County. So we definitely have some interesting situations going on here, even in the Roanoke Valley. Around an inch here in Roanoke Valley, like I said. You can see this is the inch area, 1.5 inches, 2 inches, 4 inches, and you get up here to the mountains, you get 5, 6 inches of snow. Current radar, you can see here's the snow that's going to move in towards the Roanoke Valley here. And here's the flow starting to crank up. You see southern Delaware, we're getting a mixing, some light rain. Some of that cold air will bump in here, and we'll get some snow for a period of time. Right along the coast, we get some icing also. Heavier snow now filling into southern New Jersey and also into central Pennsylvania. Like I said, we have this area just for Charleston. It's going to move over the mountains and get into Roanoke, so that can give us about an inch of snow and some icing later here this evening. So the Roanoke Valley forecast: 25 overnight, 32 Wednesday with chances of snow both times. Winds will pick up into the 15 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 40 to 50 miles an hour on the day on Wednesday. And we're going to get Thursday 32 windy. Winds will come down a little bit, not high highs. On Friday with sunny skies will be 35, and the warm up like I was telling you. The synoptic maps: 41 on Saturday, partly sunny skies. Winter weather advisory in effect. Tonight we have black ice that can occur. 21 overnight, 35 mostly sunny on Wednesday, 37 on Thursday, 36 on Friday, 42 on Saturday. Mostly to partly to mostly sunny skies both days. So let's review some snowfall totals here. For Roanoke, you can see about an inch possibly of snow. depending on how much moisture gets into the area. We're getting some snow as we speak now, coming into the Roanoke Valley. Then, move up, DC, 3 to 6 inches. 5 to 10 in Philadelphia. 6 to 12 in New York City. 15 to 25 in Boston. So there are your snowfall amounts from LiveWeatherBlogs.com meteorologist Dean Davison. Stay with us throughout the evening and throughout tomorrow, either on the Facebook page or on the site, and we'll keep you updated. For LiveWeatherBlogs.com, this is meteorologist Dean Davison. Have a great evening.